Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What do you think about our chemistry English project? Do you think it's easy? Have you finished that before? Great. What do you think about this flower? Do you have any opinion about me? Nah, kira-kira kalian tahu nggak tadi Bunda itu nanya menggunakan ekspresi apa? Yes, maybe you often listen those kinds of expressions. And today we're going to specifically talk more about that, and we are going to talk about opinion. Mungkin sebagian dari kalian sudah tahu bahwa ya, Bunda, I think it's quite easy to make an opinion. Tapi mungkin frasa atau expressions yang kalian gunakan keseringannya adalah what do you think? Dan jawabannya adalah I think. And it seems to me that it's quite boring because you often use that from time to time. Nah, kalau misalnya conversation supaya percakapannya itu lebih kaya, percakapannya itu lebih bervariasi, makanya kita tidak hanya menggunakan satu ekspresi, but you can also use another expressions. And today with me, Bunda Army, we're going to talk more about the common expressions you can use to ask, give, and respond to opinion. So welcome to English lesson. Kenapa sih bertanya tentang opinion penting? Ya karena kalian itu akan sering menggunakan itu. You are going to use opinion expression very often. Because in class, of course, lots of teacher are asking about opinion. Banyak yanda bunda yang sering bertanya tentang pendapat kalian. Even though it's not in English ya. And of course me, Bunda juga pasti akan sering bertanya tentang what do you think about something. When we are discussing about a thing, then it's not going to be always me who talk, right? You also have the time to talk to. So, kalian juga harus bisa untuk memberi pendapat dan bertanya tentang pendapat orang lain gitu ya, karena kita adalah individu yang akademis gitu. Okay, so let's just go directly to the common expressions that you can use to ask for opinion. Nah, sebelum kalian memberi opinion kan biasanya kalian itu akan meminta terlebih dahulu. Maybe you will ask opinion to your friend, to your teacher, or maybe to everyone around you. Nah, selain kata-kata what do you think of or what do you think about, sebenarnya masih banyak yang lain. Tapi tetap saja akan kita bahas ya. Oke, kita lihat dulu yang pertama. Let's see about what do you think of atau about. Itu maksudnya kalian bisa menggunakan keduanya ya. You can say, what do you think of me? What do you think about me? It's quite the same. Oke, kalian bisa gunakan yang mana aja. Nah, jadi kalau yang ada titik-titik di situ, what you can do is you have to fill that with the thing that you are asking the opinion about. Jadi kalian mau nanya apa ya kalian isi di titik-titiknya itu. Contohnya, the first one. Ini di sini ada contohnya ya. Jenny said, "Hi John, what do you think of our chemistry project?" Nah, berarti di situ si Jenny bertanya tentang pendapat si John tentang proyek kimianya gitu ya. Nah, jawabnya gimana? Nah, jawabnya nanti ada di yang bagian selanjutnya. Nah, selain itu kalian juga bisa menggunakan what is your opinion about. Itu maksudnya apa sih pendapat kamu tentang bla 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 gitu ya. Misalnya di sini kalian bisa lihat contohnya, "Hi John, what is your opinion about my hairstyle?" Kira-kira gimana nih gaya rambut aku, bagus nggak gitu ya. Nah, kalian, you can use this kind of expressions too when you like to ask for an opinion. Okay, and then the next, you can also use another expression which is, do you have any ideas about blah blah blah. About-nya itu kalian isi dengan topiknya yang ingin kalian bahas. Misalnya di sini contohnya, do you have any ideas about my learning plan this week? Nah, kalian kan sudah bikin learning plan semuanya tuh ya. You have made learning plan in each week for digital learning. And then you would like to ask for opinion to your friend to know whether your learning plan is effective or not. And then you can say, do you have any ideas about my learning plan? Do you think it is quite effective? Nah, kayak gitu ya. Nah, baru nanti dijawab sama teman kalian gitu. Oke, setelah itu kalian juga bisa bertanya, do you think it's good? Do you think it's effective? Do you think it looks good on me? Do you think my makeup looks bright or something like that. Jadi kalian juga jadi kalau misalnya opinion itu tidak selalu tentang hal-hal yang akademis, but you can ask for opinion in lots of things. Sesimpel kalian nanya, aku tuh gimana sih? What do you think about me? Do you have any ideas about my personality? Aku tuh orangnya baik nggak sih misalnya? Do you think this clothes looks good on me? Menurut kamu baju ini cocok nggak sih buat aku? Nah, as simple as that. Jadi seems like you are using lots of opinion in your life gitu ya. Makanya kita harus belajar ini gitu ya. Nah, selanjutnya kalian juga bisa bertanya tentang how do you feel about the weather misalnya. Apa sih yang kamu rasakan tentang cuaca hari ini misalnya? How do you feel about our group? Apa yang kamu rasakan tentang kelompok kita? Kira-kira kelompok kita itu bisa bekerja sama dengan baik tidak sih? Misalnya kayak gitu. Nah, you can also use that expressions to ask to someone. Nah, kalian juga bisa bertanya tentang what is your comment about? About-nya itu sama ya, kalian tinggal isi topik yang kalian ingin tanyakan opinionnya. For example, you can ask, what is your comment about having a college degree? Do you think it's important? Nah, baru nanti kalian tinggal jawab. Oke? Clear ya?